Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Michael Kors model, Chelsea MK5004, in color code 11588H. It's a plum color frame. This is the temples and it has a Michael Kors logo, as well as the other side. This is the back of the frame. The lenses are a burgundy gradient color, and it has the Michael Kors logo engraved in the top left lens. They are RXable. Up here we have a Michael Kors case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.